You ready? You, right there. You ready? Hello, hello. You know what? Let's just do that again. I don't think you guys are ready. I don't think you guys are awake yet. Can you believe what is happening, people? Do you guys understand what is going on?
Future close to my heart.
My goodness. Do you guys understand? Do you guys understand what is happening today in the global economy? Do you guys have a clue of what is really going on? Do you guys know what is really happening? Well, if you don't, you came to the right place, because we're going to talk about it. Everything you see here is in the red. Oh my goodness. Everything is in the red. The S&P 500 down 28 points. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. The NASDAQ down almost 2%. Down 103 points. That's not very good. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for the big one? The big elephant in the room? Here it comes. The Dow Jones down 260 points. 1.24%. Ooh. The big boards taking it on the chin. Just in epic proportions. And everybody's playing Mr. Tweet. Mr. Tweet-a-little-eat. Mr. Trump himself. My goodness. My goodness. Mr. Trump himself is being blamed for the market correction. So, is he being thanked for the market's success? Because you must understand, the market has been at all-time highs. So if we're going to blame Mr. Trump for the failure today on this one day, the day the market crashed down dramatically, triple digits, on this special day, the day the market, I say, corrected. Now, if this continues, if this trend continues, then it will be more than just a crash. We could be seeing a recession. So, let's hope that this is simply a correction. What do you people think? Do you think that this is the beginning of a recession? Or do you believe that this is simply just a one-day correction? Because the markets have been at all-time highs. And when they're this high, I mean, they gotta come down, right? What goes up must come down. I've always heard that there is gravity in the markets. They can't just keep going up forever. But why are you gonna just blame one guy? Right there. Getting blamed for the market collapse of 2017. The worst day I believe in 8 months. It's true. Mark it on your calendar. May 17th, 2017. Things that make you go, May 17 on 2017. Now, if you're into numerology at all, 1 and 7 equal 8. So 2017 should be a really good year for anybody who likes the number 8. Now, May 17th, 2017, May 17, 1 and 7 equals 8. 8, in I know a lot of Asian cultures, is the number of infinity. Because it just goes on forever and ever, right? It's the figure 8. The number of infinity. My lucky number, APD. My boy's number, lucky number 8. Well, lucky number 8 wasn't very lucky today. Oh my goodness. It was not lucky today. Today has been a very bad day in the markets. Now let's see what has been up in the markets today. Now, take a look at this company, guys. We've talked about this one before. You guys remember this one? And every time it hits that 250 mark, it seems to just do a dead cat bounce. It doesn't seem to want to go underneath 250, and if it does, it doesn't stay there for long. PULM, you're back on the radar. You're back on the watch list. Look at this. It was at $2.28, guys. Did we miss it again? Is it the one that got away yet again? Because look, it got down to 228, and look at what it's doing. Up to 260, and then said, you know what, we got to retract a little bit. Let's go back. And then it, or a little bit up again, and then it comes back down. And then it decides to go back up. Are you kidding me? From 253 all the way to 260. 70, 282, 288. PULM, where have you been? We were dating. You went on to greener, better pastures, so you said. And then you went all the way back down. All of those funders, those toxic funders, started to sell their stocks. Started to raise some money. Oh, nobody's doing anything wrong here. We're simply just making a market. Let's see. Let's take a look at the bar chart opinion right now of PULM, which is absolutely breaking out. PULM, where have you been? Where did you go, PULM? We have been here before. We have seen this trend before. Now take a look at this. Take a look at bar chart. Bar chart does not recognize this yet. Now, even though PULM is up 17.6% currently, they are not recognizing the fact that it's still considered a 24% sell. They are not recognizing this spike. Now take a look at the 3-month performance. The reason they may not be recognizing this spike is that this has been consistently a downtrend. It started at $4 and it has come down to, let's just say about 320, went back up to 420, 420, 420. And then it came back down to about 220, and then it came back up to about 420. That magical number. And then it came back down and down and down and down and down and down. Oh my goodness. I think for this we need special music. We need like, I don't know, like what would be the right music for a time like this? Because, you know, when you reclaim a lost love, sometimes you need to give it the right attention that it deserves and that it desires. I mean, we've seen this before with PULM. I mean, we've seen them at 420 twice. And now we've seen them down to 228. And we know that they've raised money at 250. And we know they've raised money at what price? Do you guys know in the room? Let's see if you guys know. If you guys have been watching, if you guys have been listening, they've raised money at a higher price than 274. It's true. So if you're a funder and you've raised money at, do you guys know in the room? Does anybody know? Before I spill the beans. Now, as a sniper, as a ninja that is looking for intraday opportunities, as a sniper trade, PULM might be a great opportunity. I mean, we've seen them at 420 and once again at 420. And I mean, who doesn't like 420? Doesn't everybody love 420? We have a 420 playlist. I know you love our 420 playlist. It's true. Now, when I've seen it as low as 220, almost identically half of 420. And I see it back down at 220. What do you think could be the next move? Being a bunch of snipers. I mean, being a bunch of ninjas. Doesn't it make you think that PULM might have a run in it? Things that make you go, doesn't it? Things that make you go, doesn't it? Now, bar chart hasn't picked this up yet. This is just a one-day blip, what we call a dead cat bounce, potentially. Now, let's take a look at their 1 year chart. Now, take a look at this. Do you see this? This is very interesting. PULM had a major run here. Right at the beginning of the year. Exploded all the way up to like $6. Crazy. $6? That's it. The highest it's been, are you ready for this? Is $6.98. On February 2nd, it was at $6.98. Now, since then, it's come all the way down to $2.20. Now, $2.20 might be the perfect price. But I think this bad boy, because it has raised money at $2.50 and at $3.50, now if you put money at $2.50, you could sell at $2.70. But if you put money at $3.50, you can't sell at $3.50 when the stock's at, where are we at? Where are we at? PULM right now? We're at $2.75. Now it is up 18% today. doing a dead cat bounce. So like I told you guys before, we are dating. And I love me some PULM, and especially at a price of at about $2.28. I think that's a great price to buy it. We need to really watch PULM. We need to watch it like a hawk. When the market is down and small cap stocks like PULM are up 18%, you really want to be able to identify the winners. You really want to be able to focus on trends. You really want to be able to take a look at the stocks on your watch list, on your radar, and look at the ones that have been getting beat up. Look at the ones that are down at a 52-week low. And identify the winners at the right time. PULM might be one of those winners. I don't know if you want to get in at these levels. But I do believe, because they've raised money at $250 and they've raised money at $350, I believe that you're going to see them higher than at least $350. So you can mark it on your calendar. Call me Rich Stradamus. Put it on your calendar. May 17, 2017, the day that Rich called PULM. I'm the first one letting you know that PULM is on full alert. Did anybody else put it on your radar? Did anybody else bring it to your attention? I mean, has anybody else put it on a breakout alert? Before me, Rich D, bringing you the winners, chicken dinners all the way around. I mean, it is Wednesday. It's hump day. So on a hump day, I thought I'd bring you guys some chicken dinner. Bring you another winner, certified. You can book it by Rich D. Now, like I said, I don't know if you want to get in at 274, but we're going to watch it. It's on a full breakout alert, breaking out today from a low of 228, which is the bottom for the last 3 months, and been as high as 698, and has raised money at 250 and 350. So if you've lent money to this company at 350, you want to sell at at least $4. So if I'm an investor, if I'm Mr. Holmes, if I'm Mr. Tony Brown, what are you thinking? What are you guys thinking? What do you guys think about PULM? I want to know what you guys think about PULM. Seriously, I want to know, what do you guys think about PULM? The market is crashing, but PULM is breaking out. What do you guys think about PULM? Do you think it's a one-hit wonder? Do you think that toxic funder or that financier, I don't want to call you toxic, I apologize. I don't really know the specifics. I hope you're not toxic. If that funder, if that financier wants to just dump the stock at a loss, why would they want to do that? If they funded the company to the tune of millions of dollars at the price of $350 and the stock is currently at $278, could it possibly be going up live on our show? Is this unprecedented? We are now up to $280, up 20% live on Rich TV Live. This is the beauty of you, YouTube. The greatest streaming platform on the planet. Without you, we wouldn't possibly be able to break this breaking news right now. PULM on full breakout alert. It is a full breakout alert on PULM right now, guys. Full breakout alert. Here it is. It's true. Get out the turkeys. So bring it all out. Chickens, chicken dinners, some surf and turf. We've got a breakout alert right now, live on YouTube. PULM on full breakout alert right now. It's true. Live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. YouTube, you are one of the tools of the gods, YouTube. The tools of the gods, allowing us to share this information in real time. Oh, it went back down. While we were talking from 280 down to 275. Be careful, snipers. Be careful, ninjas. Rich TV Live is strictly for entertainment and education purposes. You do not want to be caught doing this at home without speaking to your licensed advisor first. Ask them about PULM. Ask them what they think. Ask them about their opinion. But right now, live on level 2, we see it at $2.76. It's true. Level 2, up 18.8%. PULM on a full breakout alert. Now, I've showed you guys why I think it could go higher. But it was as low as $2.28 today. So be careful. It could go back down. Or it could go on another run, like it has in February, to $7. What do you guys think? I want to know your opinion. I want to know your opinion, the people in the room. Do you guys like PULM at these prices? Will you guys wait for it to retract as we speak? Look at the chart. Up, down, up, down, up, down, and look at it right now. It is trending up as we speak live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform on the galaxy. Look at this. 7,497 trades. Like that bad boy? That bad boy is on fire. And Fuego up 19.6% live as we speak. I cannot control the markets, okay? We are not nearly big enough to control the markets. But man, sometimes our timing can be really good, okay? And that's why I really have to ask the question, who is watching? You know, I need to really wonder who is watching. Like, I just gotta know, like, who exactly is out there? Who's watching? Because if you're not winning, you're not watching. Because who else is bringing PULM now up 20.2%? Who else is bringing you the winners live? I want to know. I honestly want to know. Who is bringing you the winners live before anybody else on the planet? It's true. I mean, I'm just telling you guys right now. Who else is bringing you PULM right now? Who else is watching PULM? I want to know. Because I got more tricks up these sleeves. I got tricks. Even in a market crash. Like today, a market crash of epic proportions. We can find the winners. And when the market is in the red, isn't that just a great buying opportunity? Just saying. Everything's on sale today. When the market is down, that is the time that you think. I'm not saying you should buy today. You think about buying. Now, why do I say you don't buy yet? Because we don't know if this is just a one-day market crash. Let me remind you, the market has crashed today. It's true. The market has crashed today. The market has crashed. Look, the Dow Jones is down 260 points. The NASDAQ is down 103 points. The S&P 500 is down 28 points. The market is crashing. Now, why is it crashing? The market has been climbing every single day, doing records. It had to come back down. I do not believe the market is crashing. But today, the market is crashing. Yes, for the day. The market is all in the red. It is true. Today, mark it in your calendars, May 17th, 2017, is the day that the market crashed. Now, is this just a one-day crash? Or will this be a problem that will persist? Now, if it persists, that would signal a recession. I don't want to alert anybody, but I'm just saying. We've already had a major bank in Canada, a B lender called Home Trust, be unable to give people their money because when people wanted their money, they didn't have it. So people, be aware. I always say stay in a cash position. If you snipe the stocks, buy low, sell high, these are days where you buy. However, because we see that it is in the red, we do not know if this trend will continue. So we must stay on the sidelines and watch the market and see how it's going to react. If you are concerned about a market crash and a continuous market crash, you should consider cashing your positions out and staying in a cash position. Because this could persist. I'm not saying it will. I am not Nostradamus. I am Rich Tradamus. I will find you the winners. But I don't know if this, I'm an optimist by nature. Make love, not war, people. Make love, not war. Let's think of solutions to help each other and save the world from the world's problems and from the evil in the world. And let's all capitalize on the financial instruments that have been made available to us by the elite, which is the ability to print, which is what the Federal Reserve does, which creates the U.S. currency, which we all fight for. And then when we get it, we floss it. We put it on our wrist. We drive it. We live in it. It's true. Think about it. Things that make you go, doesn't it? I mean, it does for me. I don't know about you guys. Everybody's different. Everyone has a different opinion. Everyone has a different approach. You guys want to see another winner? Because I got more. Believe it or not. My goodness, look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. You guys see that? You guys see it clearly? What do you guys think? What do you think? You like this one? Oh my goodness, what do you think about this one? SNDX up 39%. Ooh, yeah. I love me some SNDX. Look at this. Man, it came back down. But it's at $13.60. And it's up 38%. And it's traded 3.8 million shares. It's got my attention. We are now dating. The question is, are you dating? This winner, the day the market crashed, we were able to find a winner. I mean, I think we just need to put some chicken dinner all the way around. What do you guys think? Wait a second. Is that Kenny? Did you have to ban a troll? My goodness. The day the trolls came out. The day the trolls came out. Where have you been, trolls? I haven't seen you in so long. We've been waiting for you. Yes, Rich TV Live, we are a home for everybody, even the trolls. It's true. Occasionally the trolls, they like to come and hang out with Rich TV Live. I know. It seems weird. Why would a bunch of trolls want to hang out with Rich? Well, I don't know. Apparently, when you're on YouTube and you are a sensation, the trolls come out. And, you know, whether they're here to see the babies, I'm not sure, but there it is. Sorry, but I just had to bring Kenny. Kenny just brought the alert out, so I thought, bring out the baby, you know? Since Kenny brought out the alert, there's been a troll. And we are live, and people want winners, because everybody loves chicken dinner. And we did bring you PULM first, and we did bring you SNDX first. And are you ready to get another stock first? Because Rich Tradamus has more picks up his sleeve. Now, I am forever now a Trekkie. My broken hand has left me a Trekkie for life. Things that make you go, doesn't it? I mean, who the hell needed that finger anyways? Who the hell needs a ring finger? Oh my goodness. Oh, is somebody in there saying they discovered PULM? Oh my goodness. And you know what, Alejandra? If you are speaking about PULM, good for you, you should. It is on fire. Let's look at it again. PULM. There it is. Somebody should get them on our show. They need a little Rich TV in their lives. What's 60 grand in stock to you guys when you're trading 4 million a day? Think about it. Things that make you go, doesn't it? It's just saying. Now, have you guys heard of this company? Another winner. Bring out the chicken dinner for everybody. The chicken dinner needs to come out. Chicken dinner. Everybody. Everybody gets it. It's on me. Chicken dinner. Bring out the crowd. The crowd goes wild. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So the crowd goes wild for the chicken dinner. Oh, sorry. Can't answer that right now. The crowd goes wild for chicken dinner. And everybody wants it. And everybody needs it. Everybody wants it. Everybody needs the chicken dinner. And they love Red Robin gourmet burgers. Who doesn't love Red Robin? I mean, they're at $69 and up 19% today. That's right. They're up 19% today. Let's hear it. Kenny Lee. Kenny Lee Tunes. We're on a full alert. I'm getting hungry. Isn't it lunchtime? Did somebody say Red Robin gourmet burgers? My goodness. Red Robin is absolutely on fire. Let me just put it on my list of stocks that are on fire here because we're just living it up here. When the market is down, we're still sniping like ninjas. You always got to be ready to pull the trigger, to buy that stock low and then sell it high. I mean, as snipers, as 420 ninja warriors, isn't that what we're all about? Buy low, sell high, so we can have the freedom? We are on a full alert. RRGB. I told you guys, I don't care what the price is. I want winners, and when I find a winner, I'll buy it. I'll tell you right now, and I love me some Red Robin. It's getting me hungry. Man, if we could get the Red Robin CEO on my show, we got a Red Robin here. Where I live, we got a Red Robin, and I love me some Red Robin. One of the best places to go with your friends and family, especially if it's a birthday. They sing you happy birthday, bring you a little cake. It's an incredible experience. Have you been to Red Robin? Up 19% today, getting the respect that they deserve. After all, they're at $69. Don't we love that number 69 for some reason? When I say we, I mean society, people. Get your head out of the gutter. I don't mean me. I mean society. Don't we love the number 69? Why are they stuck on that number? Things that make you go, doesn't it? Makes me go, So I thought maybe it might make you go, Right? After all, it's one of those things that just make you go, So, Red Robin Gourmet Burgers, Inc., up 19.5% on the NASDAQ, traded 3.6 million shares, and is up 19.5%. And yes, it's at $69, but it's not too high for Rich TV Live. We love all the stocks. We love them all. We don't discriminate. We love the winners. We love the big mo. We want to identify the stocks before they move. And we want to be able to find those 10, 20, 30% moves. And just like ninjas, have our money in and out of the markets. And be in a cash position, so if the market crushes and crashes like it did today, let me remind you, the market has crashed today. Let me remind everybody, the market has crashed today. Everything is in the red, okay? Everything is in the red. We're fully in the red, people. So on a day where everything is in the red, how is it that we're able to identify the winners? And how is it possible to still make money on days when things are in the red? Well, if you use the Rich system, if you use my strategy of buying low, selling high, looking for long-term, underappreciated, undervalued, underexposed opportunities, all of the stocks from the penny stocks to Berkshire Hathaway's company are all in game. They're all in flight. Everything is possible. Any stock in the market is possible. Because if you make the right choice and you choose choice trade, for only $5 a trade, you can make all your options trading, all your futures trading, all of your equities trading, and you could be shorting the stock today on the day that the market crashes, and you could be making money down. It's true. So if you future trade, like Drew does, and you see the markets crashing, today's the day where you can make a fortune. You wait all year for today. The day that the S&P goes down 28 points. Do you know how much money Drew probably made today? Or he could have lost if he was on the other side. If he was up and the market went down and he was betting it was going to go up, he could have lost. Now, I don't know. I haven't spoken to Drew. Drew, if you're watching, let me know how you did, bro. You know, I hope you're okay. I hope you benefited from this. But this is the crazy thing about the markets. This is why the markets have created so many millionaires and why more millionaires get created out of the markets every single day. If you get a little bit of luck and with a little bit of skill and with a lot of research and with a good strategy of buy low, sell high, look for good, undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed companies, and always sell when you're up and stay in a cash position, you'll be ready to benefit from these types of moves in the markets. Whether you're an options trader, an equities trader, whether you're a short trader, a long trader, markets go up and markets go down. If you're a shorter, you're all over this right now. If you're a long-term investor, you're getting beat up today. I'm getting beat up today. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm getting beat up today. I'm a long-term investor. All my investments are in the red today. Everything. But I have a lot of investments. But that's okay. When the market was at all-time highs, I was also winning every day. So you got to take the good with the bad. Now in situations like this is a situation where you got to sit there and think, do I take my money and run, stay in a cash position? Because is this going to continue? Or is this just a one-day blip in the radar? That's the question that we all got to be thinking. Right now, I'm not going to be willing to put my money into the market today and just bet that everything's going to turn around and everything's going to start going up. I'm not going to do that. Now, a lot of people might do that. A lot of people might be willing to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to watch this because the market is being at all-time highs. And when you have market at all-time highs, you got to realize that there will be a correction. The market has to come down at some point. It can't just continue to climb at this pace. It's unprecedented. It's historic. So I love it. It's fantastic. We can all benefit from it. But at the end of the day, we have to realize these corrections are going to happen. These are days when, if you are a true sniper, a true ninja, you can buy a stock if you've got brass balls. But who knows? What if it goes down more tomorrow? And then the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. It's possible. So we have to bear down get in the trenches, and we really got to watch the markets. And we got to really see what's up and keep our eye on the prize. Oh my goodness. As we speak, the Dow is down 341 points. The NASDAQ suffers the biggest losses among indexes, tumbling more than 2.3%. This is live. Oh my goodness. The market is crashing. Wow, this is crazy. This is unprecedented. Wow. The NASDAQ is down more than 2.3%. This is unprecedented. This is live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform on the planet, in the galaxy. I can't believe this is happening live.
Are you listening?
This is unprecedented. The Dow Jones down 341 points. The NASDAQ is down 142 points. The S&P 500 is down 39 points. The market is crashing, people. That's why I always said, stay in a cash position. It's the only way to trade. Stay in a cash position so that you do not get affected by these massive market corrections. Be safe, everybody. Be careful out there. Now we are finding the winners. This is not a fun time for Rich TV Live, for our community, for the people at home. We do not like it when the market is crashing live. As we speak, this is unprecedented. Unbelievable. Investors betting on Wall Street calm are getting pummeled as stock market sells off. So anybody that's just thinking this is just like a one-day blip, they're saying are getting pummeled as the market is crashing live. We are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform on the planet, and the market is crashing. Oh my goodness. The market is crashing. This is the time, if you're a shorter, to short the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones. If, Drew, you're shorting, my friend, you are making a killing right now. If I could call Drew right now, man, you know what? Maybe I should try to call him. I don't know if it's a good day or a bad day to call him. Let me try to call him. This is crazy. I want to hear his opinion. I gotta hear his opinion. While this is happening, everybody's buying burgers. Red Robin is now up 20.1%, guys. $69.65. A text. You don't like voice messages, eh, Drew? Wow. This is just crazy. Everything is going down. Everything is going down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Drew, where are you, Drew? Where are you, Drew? Are you getting your ass handed to you? Or are you handing it to them today, Drew? I want to know, buddy. Come on, Drew. Answer your phone, man. Drew made our beautiful intro. Would you guys like to see the intro? Drew. Drew. Yo, that's true. Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew. Man. Disappointing. Disappointing. Another call for another day. But today is the day where I think we should be really, 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 really careful. And I think there are a lot of stocks that are up. We'll find stocks that are up. But I think today's the day you have to be very, very careful. And if you can be in a cash position, then I think you need to be in a cash position because you want to be in a cash position in a situation like today. Okay? Because the markets are extremely volatile. Everything right now is crashing as we speak live. And while everything crashes, we'll watch it, but we will find winners. But obviously there's a lot of stocks right now that are taking it on the chin and that are feeling it. And a lot of people are panicking because the reality is a lot of people right now are thinking, hey, you know what? There's a war coming. And if they think, hey, a war's coming, I might as well pull my money out of the markets. What do you think is going to happen? Let's look at Facebook. Facebook is all the way down to $145, down 2.7%. That's a big drop for Facebook, okay? Let's take a look at all the technology stocks today. They're all taking it on the chin. Everything is taking it on the chin. Let's take a look at Snap. I don't want to look at it. It's going to make me cry. Makes me bird brains. 1987, down 4.4%. It seems as though today is a sell-off of epic proportions, and everybody is selling today, almost like panic day. And what happens is when everybody starts selling, everybody panics, everybody sells. And today's one of those days, and things are going down fast. Like, look at these charts. They all look very familiar. Now, I'm hoping tomorrow goes back in the green. And if tomorrow we see it back in the red again, then we need to be really worried. Look at this. Twitter down 5.8%. That's a big hit. Look at these charts, guys. Don't they all look familiar? Interesting trend, right? What else? Everything is down. Look at Netflix, down 3.1%. If you're an optimist, you're going to say, hey, buying opportunity. But wait. We've been at all-time highs. All these stocks have been going up like crazy. Don't you think they're going to go down at some point? There is gravity in the stock market, people. Understand. What goes up must come down. And I think we're in for a bumpy ride right now. And then when things hit the bottom again, which they did around January, Christmas time, Facebook was at $100. Netflix was at $100. All these stocks were at $100. Apple was at $100. Now they're at like $150. You don't think they're going to have to come down? You don't think they're going to retract at some point? I'm just saying. Success leaves clues. Look at the charts, guys. Look at the charts. We can look at the charts. We can look at until the cows come home. But I'm telling you guys right now, this might be more than just a one-day blip on the radar. I mean, this is not good. You know? I don't think this is good. I don't think this is something that I get excited about. It's not something that I'm happy about. But if you're an options trader, if you're a futures trader, you could be shorting the market. If you're shorting the Dow or if you're shorting the NASDAQ, you could literally make thousands, if not millions of dollars overnight shorting the NASDAQ. Even the S&P, it's down 40 points. Drew, I hope you're shorting, buddy. Like, don't be going against this, man. Like, you're either making $1 million today or losing $1 million today. You know what I mean? So I hope you understand the trend here. Everything is trending down. You know? It's pretty obvious. We were looking at this, it was 28 points down. Now it's 40 points down. We were looking at this, it was 260 points down. Now it's 347 points down. Like, this is unprecedented. Wow. This is crazy. I gotta write this down in the topic section. Like, this is absolutely crazy. So the Dow Jones is down 347 points. Holy shit. And the NASDAQ is down 146 points. Oh my God. Makes you want to cry, doesn't it? And S&P is down 40 points. That's 500 down 40 points. Everything is in the red. This is a market crash, people. It is a crash of epic proportions. We are on full alert. There's nothing good about this day. People, my fellow watchers, viewers, subscribers, we are here to have fun and we are here to make money. But please, proceed with caution. The markets are crashing. It's true. Oh. I'm beside myself. And who do they blame? None other than Mr. Trump. I mean, who else can you blame? On the day that the market crashed, you must blame the President of America when the American market crashes. But who gets the credit when the market is at all-time highs? Does that also go to the Mr. President? Things that make you go, doesn't it? It does for me. I don't know what it does for you, but it does for me. I think I just downgraded our chicken dinner. It's been downgraded. I think we need to hold on the turkey. Hold on the chicken dinner. And hold on the turkey. Looks like it's rice and beans. It's true. Instead of turkey dinner, instead of chicken dinner, it's rice and beans for everyone. The market is crashing. The market is crashing. It's rice and beans for everyone. Rice and beans for everybody. Can we get an order of rice and beans for everyone, please? Can we get some rice and beans, please? I know. I know. I know. I know we want chicken dinner. I know we want turkey. But how are we going to buy it when the market is crashing?
Maximize revenue with dynamic allocation. Excited to have everyone here today.
Unless you're shorting.
We'll definitely try and ensure that you get the most.
We can short too.
And not
we can short too. Trust me. We can short too. If you guys want to short, we can short. Through choice trade, we can short. Don't worry, we can short. There's no need to cry. There's no need to cry. There's no need to panic. There's no need to panic. There's no need to cry. We are all adults here. There's no need to worry. No need to panic. No need to cry. We are all adults here. Don't worry. We're not shutting down. Oh my goodness. The day the market crashed. Now we can still find the winners, but there's a hell of a lot of losers. Look at this one. I got to give it up to James Connolly and his boys, the promoters on this one. Up 31%. ILUS, a penny stock. It's not in the underworld. It's at a penny and a half. Up 27%. Traded 5.5 million shares. ILUS. Give it up to the promoters. Give it up to the promoters for ILUS. You done a good job. Wow, we're now up 39%. Isn't it funny how that happens when I bring it on the show? Makes you really wonder. You know, like, doesn't it make you wonder, like, who's watching? I mean, that is the million-dollar question, isn't it? Who exactly is watching? Because if you're not winning, you're not watching. The whole market is getting crushed. But we still have strategies to win. We still find the winners in a market that is crashing. We also do options and futures trading through Drew, where you can be benefiting huge today from the crash in the markets. We'll show you how. Drew, I hope you bet the market's going to crash. I hope you bet it's going to go up. I hope you bet it's going to go down. Just hit that reverse button. Reverse. There's a reverse button, guys, where if you're betting it's going up and it crashes, you can bet the other way. It's crazy. It's like double or nothing. Some crazy gambling. But you can win big on a day like today. You can wait all year for a day like today and make a cool, quick couple $1 million and just chill and then have freedom. All right, guys. Now, what else could possibly be up on a day like today? Well, how about this? Have you heard about this? Have you heard about CCCR? They exploded out the gate. Ooh, yeah. Up 14%. They're up a lot more. And then they came back down. But they're at $2.28. Put it on your watch list. Throw it on your radar, would ya? We're dating. Why shouldn't you? Well, I never heard it go around for everybody. I'm a team player. All about the team. Remember, as a team, together, everyone achieves more. I want to know your picks. We got 16 people watching. What's on fire today, people? What is on fire from the penny stocks to the biggest and the brightest in the NASDAQ? What is on fire? What is en fuego? If you see something with your eyes, I want to know. What do you see with your eyes? Let's work together. Let's win together. People helping people. You bring me the winners. I share with the people live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform on the planet, and we all win. Imagine the possibilities. Aren't they endless? Things that make you go, Remember, I've been chosen. Is the force with you? That is the question. Do you see any winners out there that I haven't seen, that I haven't found, that I haven't identified? Is there anything out there that I need to talk about before I go to do more research, to do more analytics, to find you the opportunities to buy chicken dinner? Forget the rice and beans. We want chicken dinner. Are there more winners? Well, I don't think there are. Nobody's giving me any winners. So there must not be any more winners. So I think on a day like today, where the streets are evil, we're going to have to say fond farewell. It's true. The streets are too evil. They're very evil streets. The markets are ugly. The markets are crashing. Everything is in the red. It's putting me with a bad, sour taste in my mouth. But it's okay. I found another winner. Hold on. Oh. Found another winner. Here is another winner. And I talked about it first. Take a look at it, guys. CETX up 23% on the NASDAQ at $3.89, up 23.5% and traded 14.7 million shares. For me, that puts a little spring in my step. What about you guys? CETX is another winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Not quite enough for a turkey. It's 30% or more. That'll bring out the turkey. But for 23%, it's enough for a chicken dinner. For the whole family. But for now, since the markets are so evil, and since they're so beaten up, and so ugly, and everything is just so negative, since the streets are so evil, and everything is in the red. Since that's the reality, wow. Since this is the reality, as the Dow is now down 325 points, the NASDAQ is now down 138 points, and the S&P 500 is down 37 points. Be in a cash position. Apparently, Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are costing the Dow 100 of the 300 points. Apparently, they are doing a lot of the selling today, leading to this sell-off. I'm going to do some more research. I'm going to go find some more winners. I'm going to do some more trading. Be careful, people. Be careful.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
I hope you're listening.
Yeah.
Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show, because all I do is bring you entertaining shows every single day. I hope you like it. I'm having a lot of fun entertaining you, the people. I love you guys. Remember, I'm just a normal guy just like you guys. Let's stay safe, everybody. I love you guys. Thank you, YouTube. Without you, none of this is possible. I am truly living my dream. And it's because of you, YouTube. And thank you, the people. Without you, the tools of the gods. You are the tools of the gods. You just don't know it yet. Without you, none of this is possible. And remember, guys, Rich TV Live is strictly for entertainment and education purposes. Please, do not buy any stocks that we talk about and we recommend. This is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Hopefully you can learn something here. Okay, guys, please be safe. The markets are evil, especially today. Evil. See that red? See the red? See the red? All I see is red. It's a hell of a lot of red. Yeah. It's making me want to go. Make me want to throw up. Peace.